And you feel one side is very different to the other, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you feel the response of the passive leg on the floor, which is really your foundation, and your active leg, because that's the one that's going to tell the story. That's your ability to push your breath further down into the pelvic floor. Throw the ball down further so that you get more anchoring into the arches of the feet. Always shoulders back. With the head in this position, the shoulders will roll back because bend is lifting the spine and releasing the upper thoracic, so it's supported by the cervical really. Alright, another 5 breaths and we're out on our second side. Feels good, huh? And every time you can feel the ability to want to realign. It's your inner guide guiding you to what's happening in your body.